I've been using the DINOPAY app for a while now, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of whether it's a convenient and cost-effective tool for fueling up in 2025. DINOPAY is Sinclair Oil's official mobile payment app, designed to streamline the gas station experience. By linking your preferred payment method, you can locate participating Sinclair stations, authorize pumps remotely, and complete transactions directly from your smartphone. One of the standout features is the potential savings. Users can enjoy discounts of 10 to 20 cents per gallon, depending on their payment setup and station participation. The app's interface is straightforward, allowing for quick navigation and easy access to transaction history and digital receipts. For those who frequent Sinclair stations, especially during road trips, DINOPAY offers a blend of convenience and savings that enhances the fueling experience. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. The app's functionality can be inconsistent. Some users have reported issues with GPS accuracy, leading to errors in pump authorization. Others have experienced difficulties with payment processing, such as transactions being declined or funds temporarily held without completing the purchase. Additionally, not all Sinclair stations support DINOPAY, which can be frustrating if you're relying on the app for discounts and convenience. Customer support responsiveness has also been a point of contention, with some users finding it challenging to resolve issues promptly. Overall, DINOPAY presents a promising solution for those looking to simplify their fueling routine and save money at Sinclair stations. While the app has its quirks, the potential benefits, especially in terms of discounts and convenience, make it worth trying for regular Sinclair customers. If you found this review helpful, please support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you next one.